Match day number 3, we Betway Premiership, Kings Park Stadium, where Ichipa United were hosting Orlando Pirates. Kumdlalo we Betway Premiership namhlanje on a Sunday. But ke 3-0 that isn't on a Sunday because there's another big team defending champions, the English Premier League, the Arsenal. Hey. But Dwarula, Manchester City on the other side. It's 3-0. Umdlalo is going to be more. We don't know. But yeah, in South Africa, the defending champions Orlando Pirates just beaten the Chipa United by 3-0. When we got nomhlaba stand as Dazimbini. Yesterday, when the fixed against Dazimbini is the Sundowns, namhlanje the fixed against Dazimbini is the Borussia Dortmund. Hey.
Mwana mawithani peace ne.
But mhlaba mnanzi nje.
Mara withani peace mwana.
Hey.
Ama team awina ngabo 3-0 mngana bekumele ngabe ne peace.
Ungifika ngezida izolo 2 namhlanje Dortmund. Hey.
Angikhulumi mngana.
Right. Sharp. The sharp, top of the log, top of the Betway Premiership.
Asibonge mngana mithi ngibulisa amadoda le studio Shane. Yeah.
Bobson, let's dive into it. Umdlalo Betway Premiership besibukela igame izolo FNB Stadium, but we are back here namhlanje, Kings Park Stadium, Chipa United, Orlando Pirates. Ubone njalo umdlalo namhlanje?
Tasheni yazi before singena kulomdlalo ithi angazi ukuthi wena awujabuli ngani iOrlando Pirates ihosta lapha eKings Park kuleya pitch engicabanga ukuthi icede ukudlala Wednesday la idlala khona iDrone Amazulu today idlala neChipa. I wanna give credit man kubo groundsman baleya pitch ngabeka yeah if ngaba sure Monday bekudlala iAll Blacks lapha rugby but Wednesday Orlando Pirates kwazile ukudlala
on Tuesday in fact
Tuesday ne kwazile ukudlala igame iOrlando Pirates ne so uma ungathi uyayibheka after Tuesday Amazulu yesterday
they play there
idlala khona lapha kuleya pitch today Orlando Pirates neChipa badlala kuleya pitch kusho kona ukuthi no benza umsebenzi omuhle because amanye ama stadium if icede ukudlala irugby akudlaleki abanye kuthatha isikhathi kusho kona ukuthi umsebenzi walabantu Shane ithi sibanikeze icredit because njengoba sibona ngathi ama ground ane problem kule country so far so ama team amaningi I think iyo ne FNB hoste ama game la ngathi ama stadium amakhulu the rest badlalele kuma stadium amancane uma ngajabheka bo kwamhlanga ba hostile Sugar Ray Xulu sayigcina nini hostile.
There was a game last night at khona elikhela host final Telkom knockout some time back 2009 Ike's Cape Town and Orlando Pirates. Still remember that ball Chatsworth Stadium
Chatsworth
yeah I still remember that stadium
most of the time milakudlalela khona Durban City njengamanje so Shane sibanikeza credit labo bantu labo so Shane ngene egamini namhlanje congratulations to Orlando Pirates coach Wadu spot on today Shane akatatazela akayenza ama substitute because of uzwabo Shane kuma grandstand bafuna ama sub understand ukuthi team yakhe idlala kanjani so ngicabanga ukuthi nginikeze man ne management e Pirates today the way i management e Pirates Shane iyenza scouting ku technical team yaso ngicabanga ukuthi iyenza kahle kakhulu you know ukulanda ucoach Ruan ku Stellenbosch
Ruan Rust
Ruan Rust I think it's a head of
performance
I think intendle yalanda no Brandon uBrandon it's a head of recruitment kule technical team eOrlando Pirates so it kukutshela something Shane the way ubona Orlando Pirates scouta ngakhona ayikuthi before bengakwenzi kahle but manje bheka the way bakwazi ukuscouta abomthetheleli Mthiyane balanda abadlali abafana nabo Thapelo Mkobethu the boy he played ku Black Poison ubuya la kudlala khona ibhola ku Black Poison awumani Black Poison nje umani udla bafuna ukudlala I think you know ukuthi uma sikhuluma na Black Poison sikhuluma ngabo coach abafana nabo bana abake mhlawumbe bafaka amazwi kule team so ngizama ukutshela wena Shane ukuthi ukusayina uThapelo kuleya team ye Stellenbosch and bheka from Black Poison waya ku Marumo Gallants from Marumo Gallants ila Stellenbosch isamlanda akadlalanga thatha isikhathi even nabo Stellenbosch akazange thatha isikhathi then they sign because of kuna technical team ekhona eyasebenza nasabo abadlali so ngicabanga ukuthi kubalula for bona ukuthi they can sign those players bafike teamini bazonceda I think today uThapelo he played very well Shane if uSiyema bengingimnika man of the match bengizonika uThapelo. The way control le midfield Orlando Pirates ngakhona kwangathi kudala adlala no Dancing. The way Shane, that guy, and like uyazi ngifuna ukutshela into one uma I defense Orlando Pirates I build up umbheke ukuthi wenzani. Shane, the scanning, the way I receive ngakhona lela ball, not the way joina ngakhona ku attack Orlando Pirates, une timing ukuthi Dancing ukuliphi side. I think umkobethu today he played very well Shane kule midfield. Naye uSiyema njengoba ngisho ngithi if bengeke ngithi nginikeza yena but Siyema awawina wonke ama jewels Shane. Uwawina wonke ama jewels. Kunama 1v1 la ngicabanga ukuthi wenze kahle kakhulu. He even scored, so well deserved man of the match Shane kuSiyema ngicabanga ukuthi contributor kakhulu kule defense Orlando Pirates, especially uma ngabheka the way Marshall ngakhona le defense chain. He understand the covering kuye no Sibisi ngicabanga ukuthi into enhle kakhulu. So Orlando Pirates chain iqale ibonakala igain position ku Chippa United ihlele emuva. La Orlando Pirates khona ngibona izama ukunokha ngayo yonke indlela ukuthi ifuna ukuthola igoli. Tito Patrick Maswanganye uya connecta Shane njengoba simazi ukuthi uye umdlali kuleya number 10 engicabanga ukuthi ama movement especially mase sifika ku final third uba involve Patrick Tito Maswanganye uma ungabheka nalela bhola aliphase uLungu. Lungu akazange athatha isikhathi Shane ugood ngalapha is a finisher that guy. Ulungu is a finisher and yes, poor goalkeeping kunabantu uma ungabheka kuleya angle because uma ungabheka ngathi ufuna ukulibamba lela bhola but umqondo wakanungu I think umbonile ukuthi uvulile space.
It was a similar movement like game Amazulu. There was a ball uTito ayinike uLungu wayimista. Even namhlanje similar ball but namhlanje the difference is that it was in the back of the net.
The understanding yokuranela kuma space especially njengoba ngitshela ngayo uLungu I think is a finisher Shane and also njengoba ngisho ngithi I give credit kulo coach Wado ngicabanga ukuthi understandile Shane ukuthi njengoba ihlezi Chippa United ukwenza kwama sub angeke ngincede nganix because ngiyazi ukuthi ihlezi so thina yini into kumele siyenze ukuthi sithole I-creativity until sikwazi ukuthi after scoring lela goal yila ngibone khona ukuthi okay izovula iChippa manje bazoscore Pirates ngathola amanye ama goal because ihleze emuva ayifuna ukudlala but Orlando Pirates the more ba rotate le ball ngicabanga ukuthi kubancede kakhulu ukuthi babe patient abadlali beOrlando Pirates bangabi frustrated because sinokusho most of the time ayicede ukukora Orlando Pirates ibonakala ngathi ayisafuni mhlawumbe lokudlala ayisafuni lokukora but today nama support ka coach uyabona uletha abadlali ngicabanga ukuthi ubanikeza ichance uyaba prepare kulama game Nomsendami besingamboni all along umsendami but he came today and scored ngicabanga ukuthi into right ucoach ayenzile ukuletha labo badlali ukuthi ababuye bazothola abo masilela ababuye bazothola isikhathi because the Pirates was leading. So coach Wadu today I think uyithole kahle for mina Shane but side let Chippa United I think lento bebazele draw unfortunately abakaze bayithole le draw Shane.
It's 2 games now for coach Brendan Truter.
Yeah.
2 draws and a loss yanamhlanje.
Uyahamba Shane.
Is it safe?
Uyahamba lapha kube lapha uhlali.
I mean camera I don't know how many times the camera ibimveza and every time ijonga ku I know as a losing coach you'll always be worried but I think there was something on his mind when emcelayo ukuthi no man.
Umester Mpengisi Shane akana sikhathi angazi ama contract walabo coach ukuthi kanjani. No coach Kevin Hunt ubiya lapha, bo coach Manqoba babiya khona lapha. Kulula ukuthi ungahamba ku Chippa United. I think mhlambe bakubekela lawo magame abakubekela wona. So for me uma ngabheka de uyaqale ngakhona Shane strategy sakhe coach Truth bekuthi ufuna ukungayinikeza Pirates ispace angayinikezi ichance ukuthi Pirates idlale especially halfini Chippa United because umbona ngale lineup yakhe namhlanje unomubara no nalentwana le ubani ledlala center back so ukuthatha ufika rero umdlalise ka left uthathe ukamisa umlethe ka right ku midfield kusho kona ukuthi ufuna aba tracker bazowenzani bazo assist le defense because now ubhekele attack Orlando Pirates ukuthi ufuna abadlali abane energy abazokwazi ukuassista le defense yeOrlando yeChippa United because uyazi ukuthi abomsele in the middle of the park bazobuya nabo bazo assist aba protect le defense but angeke Shane uthi labadlali labo ubabekele lento going forward angeke wenze nix Shane because okusalayo une striker C1 uthatha umfecane ukuthi assist lesa striker as a number 10 but now uyabuya drop uzomakha ku midfield so akukho ozokuthola going forward offensive uzoba poor because u concentrate too much uma ungambheka uFigarero sometimes ekalithola ibhola azama ukuthi ufuna uku-attack but inamba ku-Chippa United incane because ba-concentrate ekudefendeni and obvious uzodefenda because we are playing the team ocabanga ukuthi ngequality ingenhla Shane and le attack Orlando Pirates if mhlawumbe uzovula ama-spaces unikeza botito lawo ama-space bazokuphanisha Shane uma unganikeza labadlali abafana nosibelebeli ispace adlala as a right back uzokunikeza iproblem mawunganikeza abohoto even though final third uhoto yambona kulamalanga ukuthi uyaleka Shane but Chippa United into bayidinga bebadinga yona draw I don't think ukuthi Chippa United beyicabanga ngewin kule game because if bocabanga ngewin ngabe sibonile mhlawumbe la khona iChippa United izama kuba i-threat Orlando Pirates but today Orlando Pirates idlala kahle kakhulu Shane ya collect a maximum point clean sheet uyabona ko CM Shane benza into zabo njengoba ngikutshela ba cruiser nice lapha emuva ngicabanga ukuthi for Orlando Pirates today Shane siyayinikeza ihleli phezulu ne khona abanye bebaculeni ingoma bathi asinandaba
ne FNB zone
yeah ngizabathi asinandaba ne Pirates hleli phezulu so angazi namhlanje ngisafuna ucheck ilog angayicheck ukuthi after Pirates wina nga 3-0 Shane ilog ime kanjani
well yeah Arsenal iPhone Arsenal umseke uchithe channel ngapha because my team is winning when my team is winning it is uninteresting
but ngishaka idabi
if we were losing you was going to be saying Gunners
needs mina ngishaka idabi yase South Africa Shane ngifuna kusheshe why kanti ingaqali early mara le
idabi no man
Mari Khosi sokuzokunikeza inkinga le season isenkingeni Shane hlala ukwazi lo we mbona abaqale ngakhona senkingeni yes last season baqale nga
31st of October 31st of October
ne yeah no kuzoba mnandi Shane njengamanje ngiyabona niyalingana ama point ne Chiefs so far so good so 10 ihleli lapha phezulu 7.7 points khona enye landelayo ngapha kini na 7 points angazi ukuthi njengoba ngithi log angayibheki kahle ngisazoyibheka mina ngisalwela Shane ukusurvive ku top 8 lapha enzasi ngilwela kusurvive ku top 8 umngani wami nina ni cruiser nice Soweto
hey okay abasifa
mara nginikeza only 10 games
only 10 games
yeah sizoba sesiculela inye chorus
after 10 games
after 10 games
we'll be here
yeah.
We'll be here opposite. Masiva like Durban's Kings Park Stadium it is Chippa United 0 Orlando Pirates 3. Thank you so much for watching Itiski TV.
Hola bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.